Assalamualaikum and hello. Let's continue with the next naming of cyclic alkenes, where I'm going to introduce to you two examples for this one. Basically, if you want to give the name for cyclic alkenes, you have to make sure that structure for the parent chain got the double bond in cyclic ring. And step 2, you have to determine the location of double bond in the ring are always assigned with number 1 and number 2 because that is the lowest possible number. The rest of it, put the substituents as prefix with the lowest number as possible. So let's try example 4a, where I got my structure and you got in the ring, and make sure you give the numbering for your carbon. Either this one or this one starts with number 1. This is because the position of the double bond, our functional group must be in the lowest number. So I'm going to start here. 1, 2, you go up. You cannot go here because here you got no double bond. So you go up. And after that, you go 3, and then 4, and then 5. So make sure you follow anti-clockwise or clockwise based on the structure given. And now you got 5 carbon chain, and this is in the ring. So of course you have to put cyclo. Now, due to the situation for this structure where you don't have the substituents, so you don't have to put the numbering for your double bond because it will always be number 1. However, I just want to show you how the numbering looks like when you got the substituents later on. So for this structure, the full name will be cyclopentene. So this is the name for A. Next one, we try B, where I got my ring here and I got my chain here. So if you take a look carefully, this chain only involves 3 carbon. However, my ring involves 5 carbons. So, of course, the parent will be the longer carbon chain, my ring for this case. So how I want to give the numbering, I'm going to identify which carbon that got the double bond. So for these two, I'm going to start from here, number 1. Why? Because I have to make sure my substituents, the green one, which is this case is propyl, is positioned at the lowest number. So if I start from here, number 1, it will be at position number 5. If I start number 1 from here, it will be at carbon number 3. So I will choose this numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now my substituents propyl is at carbon number 3 and my double bond is at carbon number 1. So the full name for this one will be 3-propyl, put the substituent first in alphabetical order, -1-cyclopentene. So this is the name for structure B. So I hope you are clear with the examples how to give the name for many different forms of alkenes. Please make sure you complete the exercise, and for the next video, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!